Okay, so I'll be showing how to correlate one list to another list. To start, I'll just show you the list that we have. We have docs. This contains pictures. And then we have also questions. And we also have another one for doc questions. So we will be adding here doc ID and question ID. So let's start. Let's create a new app first. And let's add our data sources. So let's go here and SharePoint. And then let's go to the site and we're gonna do the docs, the doc question, and then the questions. So what we will do is we just create a form. The form that we will be making will be in reference to doc question, because what we will do is we're gonna be sorting out, modifying this based on they will be modifying this so we can add relationship. So let's try. So we have title, doc ID, and question ID. So we can default title to something just like just a word, so we don't leave it empty. So title. So let's just do it like that. And let's hide it. So we need, most importantly, we'll do with this one. So we have this. And then we insert a gallery. Let's do a blank vertical gallery here. Okay, I inserted it in the wrong place. So let's make this a bit wider. Two columns horizontal. It's weird why it's not expanding. Okay, so it's not expanding, but let's just leave it like that for now. So I'm gonna insert a column in here. Let's insert gallery vertical. You should insert it in this box. So okay, and insert a vertical gallery. So we'll have the docs. So we have it there now. Okay. Image. So these are our docs, and then the okay, so we have the photos now. Sorry, you should be using combo box. And then we need to insert the combo box here. Combo box should be docs, and then this combo box should be something with a photo. Secondary text would be name. And the image, since we cannot modify it there, see the items. . Okay, I'll probably work on it something later, but yep, that's it. So the important thing is we have the name. Let's just settle for this one first. So we need to display the name in the combo box. Name, that's it, and image. So let's try, we can probably, so combo box one first. Combo box one, that's selected items, that image, new item. So we're gonna have, like, let's say doc 3. Okay, let's keep it to one item only and just one selection. So doc 3, 1. Okay, so we got that one. So what we will do is for the doc ID, whatever is here in combo box 1, we'll do it like this. Dot selected items, as usual, same code as what I used earlier. Dot first item dot ID. So see if I change this, yeah, like that. And then the question ID, let's add another drop down here. Okay, I think we're doing drop down because this is like plain text. I was hoping that I can use an image earlier, but yep, you can always use drop down and then use questions and then change the value to title. So you see here, question 1, 2, and 3. And then we don't have any other info, we just want that one. So whatever we choose in drop down that selected text. Okay, not gonna work, so title. No, T. So, okay, so now we're done with our form. And then we'll have insert a button here. And then this one will just submit the form 1, like that. And then after submitting, new form again, so we can submit new entry. So let's make it a bit smaller. I wonder why it's weird. It's not expanding, but we don't have time to check. Have a vertical gallery again, but this time it will be the questionnaires, that just so we see the entries are coming in. Text label. So okay, let's add first one item. So we're done adding one item. Let me just do this. That name. No, this everything. That question ID. Let's try. So it's actually adding, as you can see in here. It's just a mess right now. So we have 2 records already, question ID and image. Doc ID. So we have that there. So this is how you build relationship with uh list. So let's say, let's add one more. 3, 1. So duck 3 to question 3. So, duck 3. Okay, so duck 3 is ID number 2. So, everything's still correct. Then, that's it. So we have the list. So the purpose of this one is, let's say, you want to show the list. Let's make another screen. New screen. So what would happen with this one is you will be basing things with vertical gallery. So this one. So let's say these are all the docs. Dot into item. So we have all this information here, but we want to filter it with the question. Insert again drop down. So we will base it from the questions, and then we only want to show questions, question ID. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3, and then we can always do like this, this thing, question ID. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. So what we will do is we filter it with the value with this one. So what we do, filter, this is drop down to, filter, drop down to, docs, ID, let's try first this option, filter, docs ID in, this thing. Then we select on the docs questions. We're gonna put another filter here. So we'll filter the questions first and show only doc ID. Oh, question ID. And the drop down to that selected that top equals that one. So we've got the filtered result. Then we need to distinct the doc IDs, and after we distinct it, we just do like this. So as you can see, for question 1, we have one doc. Question 2, it's not updating. Let's go to one. We have 1, 2, 3. Question ID has, okay, doc number 2. So this is right. It's because here we all have doc number 2. Let's try to update this. Let's make it yellow. Let's try one more. Doc 1. Doc 2. Let's see. Doc 2 should have 2 docs. Question 2 should have 2 docs. 2, 1. Question 3 should have only one duck. Also 2. Let's make it 3 for question 3. Question 3. Find the duck with duck 1 ID. Okay. So 3 should have 3 ducks. So if we go to screen 2. Okay, question 2. Question 3. Question 1. So this is how the relationship works. It makes it easy for you to work. You can also do this on the duck side where you can filter, like show distinct ducks, and then you can show related questions to that duck. Okay, so that's the